guys, I'm here, I'm back again. Your cleaning motivation is here just for you. I'm super excited to share with you what is happening at home on a daily basis. As you saw through the beginning of the video, it's a kind of a mess and it looks like this almost all around the house, and this is happening during the lockdown while the kids are not going to school, while mommy is working, and yeah, that's the surprise that is waiting for me every single day when I come back from work. So yeah, basically this is kind of a daily speed cleaning, like a power hour, if I can say it like this. This that you are going to see in the next couple of minutes took me about maybe 30 to 40 minutes, but by the way, while I'm filming it usually takes me a little bit longer because I always need to move my tripod to set it here, to set it there. Yeah, but actually this kind of a daily cleaning, usually I'm trying to make it no longer than 30 minutes because nowadays the weather outside is lovely. So when I come back from work, I want to go out with the kids or doing some exercises or just take a rest for half an hour. Then I have to learn with my boy. And yeah, actually all of these things need time. So because of this, I'm trying to keep like cleaning level and dirty, dusty level like kind of a normal one on a daily basis. So I really hope that I'll be able to motivate you. Let's just grab the mop, grab the cleaning cloth, microfiber cloth, and let's just enjoy what we are doing and enjoy the final result.
Take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. My
video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope that I was able to inspire you, to motivate you as always. I really hope that you like to clean with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and believe me, you're really helping my channel to grow by giving me a thumbs up as well. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.